Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to schedule a Zoom meeting from the web. So head over to zoom.us and I'm going to do this, zoom.us. Do well to sign in. It currently shows my account. From here, go to the left part and you'd see meetings. For now, these are the meetings I have on my schedule. So head over to schedule a meeting. If you want to schedule a new meeting, head over here and you can type the name of your meeting. You can write new meeting. If you want to add some more description, you could say my club meeting, something like that. Do also come to the calendar, select your desired date, enter the time and the duration. Of course, this is the free Zoom plan, hence I have a 40-minute time limit. So I'll go to 0 hours and 15 minutes. If you want a meeting to keep recurring at a particular date or a particular time and day of the week, hit recurring meeting. If you want the meeting ID to be generated automatically, leave this option as checked. I usually prefer this. Let us see what we have in templates. We currently have no templates. Let us go. The settings on this account currently says that you must use a passcode. This is for security reasons. You wouldn't want anybody that has your meeting link to just click and join your meeting. Secondly, there's a feature called waiting room. What the waiting room does for you is that even persons who are authorized to join your meeting, persons that you've sent the link to join your meeting, they will be needed that you admit them into this meeting. Because of course you wouldn't want people to Zoom bomb your meeting. So this option is very necessary. If you select this option, require authentication to join, here's what it does. It requires that people must be signed into Zoom. So this feature is used most times, to the best of my knowledge, by let's say people who want to deliver a course in a school. You want your students who have particular email addresses at theschooldomainname.com to sign in. So as the host, would you want your video to come on automatically? If it is yes, select on. If not, leave it as off. And do you want your participants' video to come on immediately they sign into your meeting? The choice is yours. You can choose to select save or select more options. So do you want participants to join your meeting anytime, even if they come late to the meeting? You select this. Do you want participants to be muted once they join your meeting? Personally, I love this option to reduce noise. Then do you want to automatically record this meeting on your local computer? If yes, select it. And the last option, do you want to approve or block entry to users from specific regions? Let us see how that opens. So the first option says only allow users from selected countries or regions. If you want users from selected countries or regions, you can come here and select them. But if you want to block users from selected countries or regions, you can come here and enter the countries or regions you want to block and hit save. Once you're done, click on the save button below. And here we go. You have details of your meeting and you can copy the invitation link. Here is how it looks. So you can come here, copy and send these details via text message, WhatsApp, email, or any other means of communication. I hope this video has been informative. Do well to leave your comments and your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.